Hello everyone and welcome to Edusurg Clinics. I am Dr. Gunjan Desai and today we are going to do a very important skill station that is important for your practice as well as for clearing your practical skill stations, whether it's MRCS, MLE or any other practical OSCE based exam. Now we will see horizontal mattress. The only difference is that instead of the near, so you have to take this by, then you come on side and take out and out. Okay, so I'll just show you again. I don't like to hold, so at the same distance this and come out on the opposite side, right? So this is similar to far or the simple interrupted that you see, but once you rotate your needle, okay, once you have rotated your needle, instead of going near, you again go far on the side of it. So this was your bite, right? So 90-degree reverse stitch, okay, and once similarly on the other side, so like this. And this is an actual everting stitch, if you will see, right? So this is far, right? So this is horizontal mattress. Again, in this you can see that the C is forming here, right? So this will be your curve. Hold the thread and tie it. You can see the eversion, the effect of horizontal mattress, like then this is the C, so this will be your rotation, and then this is the C, so this will be your rotation, right? One more, these sutures need to be taken a bit away from each other. Please remember that, otherwise you will strangulate the skin. Okay, once it comes out, you can rotate the needle. Okay, there are many ways to do that. Okay, so this is how you rotate the needle. Take your thread out, then again, because it's horizontal, go in and come out on the far side again, right? So you can see this horizontal, this is the C, so 2 rounds first, and this is the squaring of knots, and you see how the edges are everted again, and this is how you tie. To finish this exercise, we will take one horizontal mattress at normal speed. You take this out, then rotate the needle, hold it between your needle holder and the instrument, go on the other side and from the side and take it out. Once you take it out, 2 throws in the C, correct, one on the other side and one on the same side. So that is how you do your vertical mattress, far, near, and horizontal mattress, far.